So I had to get that sorted, but also get a tissue or some cotton wool to wipe any excess concealer. So right now I'm just brushing out my brows, and I'm gonna start by filling in the shape that it is, and I'm gonna accentuate the angle at the top of the brow. I'm not a makeup artist, I'm a beauty therapist, I'm a massage route, but I do really enjoy makeup. So yeah, that being said, some of the things I may say may not be the actual terms, but yeah. So anyways, I am just going to outline my brows. Sometimes I put on lashes, but majority of the time I just put on mascara. I spray my face with my elixir and good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It is super simple to do your brows. Some people go all out, but this is just, it works for me. It's been working for years, and hope you guys enjoyed it.